Policy is about regulating society. So you have identified a problem at the society level you want to address through your research. As a scientist, when you try to generate knowledge around that problem you have identified, the first thing to do is how can you format that knowledge to make it being more accessible to these policymakers. Not only policymakers, actually, even communities, all those people who can be affected by the problem you have addressed in your research. So you have to translate your knowledge in such a way that it can be accessible to them, to a policy brief or policy fact sheet, some critical, straightforward information that can be of interest for them. You need to be able to facilitate policy dialogue. If you can come back and say, okay, I was in this country, I collected data on this and that, this is what I have as feedback, and I think based on this feedback, together we can see what can we improve. You can even get more information from that dialogue to really enrich and also reshape the information you have generated.